Good morning, campers. Well, it's about 5 a.m. The sun has just come up. See how today goes, huh?
Ohayou gozaimasu.
I'm so not ready for this. I feel a little bit sick, to be honest. My body knows that it just needs to rest. I'm over fatigued. We got a strict time limit on the kayak because the weather's changing all the time. If the rain hits and the big winds hit, we won't be kayaking. So I just gotta knuckle down, suck up the pain, get this done. I'll see you later, yeah?
Okay, good luck.
Thanks, man.
The launch point for the kayak is a small town called Toi. Dean must ride 50 kilometers on mountainous roads in the early morning before they can even think about the kayak challenge.
How difficult's on the legs? Struggling? Yeah. It's alright, another 40 kilometers. God. It's on. On the time.
I'm feeling like 300, 400 meters or something ascent. It took me like half an hour to get up at it, and I was down it in 2 minutes. You know? So demoralizing. Climb, and then whee, and then you're back to like climbing here.
Well, it looks like the team's here.
I back them in like I work in an airport.
They meet Shiojima-san, a local kayak expert who will help them cross Suruga Bay.
Kayak だったら何がいい? Fuku. Board shorts only. 大丈夫? What do we think?
I think you look great.
Push.
Yeah. やった。ありがとう。
Right before?
I have, yeah. One time before with 8 Germans across a bay in New Zealand. So, and it was actually pretty aggressive. Our kayak flipped over a couple times. So, I hope it's a little bit more calm than that this time.
Yeah, coastline of creek
Okay.
and old shrine, you can see.
Okay.
Okay.
Sounds great. So instead of going straight across, with the winds picking up later in the afternoon, we're going to keep it safe. We're going to head along the coastline, and then there's going to be 2 or 3 spots we can get off and see some local attractions. Basically, the only thing I'm thinking about right now is food. I'm so calorie depleted and dehydrated. I'm just taking 2 big bottles of water and loads of food. And while Megan paddles me out around the bay, I'm just going to stuff my face.
You agreed to this?
Indirectly.
Good luck.
Thank you.
First in the boat are Dean and Megan. They head for the naturally occurring port known as Heda. From Toi, a ferry boat crosses Suruga Bay to reach Shimizu Harbor on the opposite shore. The team had planned to make the 30-kilometer crossing by kayak, but due to incoming bad weather, Japan's deepest bay will remain unconquered, and only time will tell how far they can reach skirting along the bay's coastline.
Right, left, right, right.
How's your shoulders?
A little sore. Hands are a little bit sore from gripping. And they're very shrivelly like an old woman.
Pete's biking. My legs are like so wasted, so it's kind of nice to use my back and my shoulders a bit.
How is Dean and Megan?
すごいバッチリすごいうまい。
You know I love bananas. Look, I'm not eating because I'm hungry. I'm eating because I'm so worried I'll just run out of power. Pass out in the kayak or something.
You look kind of worried.
Worried. I always look a bit worried. No?
It's like 3 hours. Are you going to be alright?
Yeah. Yeah, I trust Dean can take care of it.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Isn't she meant to be riding like real hard so I can just sit back and relax, huh?
No.
That's not the plan, mate.
Oh man.
See you later!
Natalie now accompanies Dean as they leave from Hida, making their way further north to Osezaki Cape, which on a clear day offers breathtaking views back to Mount Fuji.
雨気持ちいい
Ame Kimichina.
気持ちいいね
Oh.
Did you ever meet a shark?
Shark, yeah, sure. Shark go in that group.
Wow.
Found those.
One shark or many?
I
One, right?
found the thing.
Wow.
Very, very big.
Whoa.
Kwakata.
Yeah. I'm scared.
Yeah, you're probably. Shark 来たらどうする？なんか、チャンプチャンプやる？ One whole day, not even getting wet in kayaking. That can't happen, right?
Despite 30 kilometers of kayaking, without being able to cross Suruga Bay, they finished their day 80 kilometers short of their destination.
I'm going over to the islands. It's been a really tough 4 days. 4 days of biking, left my legs like jelly, and now I finish here, standing here in the rain. Not ideal weather, but you know what? It's been an amazingly successful first 4 days, and we'll be right back here to start again in the next episode.
What's hard to believe is that even so close to Tokyo exists a nature so lush and overflowing. I can't forget the experience of being able to bathe in the river. This very pure and natural feeling is often so distant from us in this generation, and perhaps the soul of Japan is Sanshin Suimei, or nature, and how the Japanese people have harmonized with it. Even if modernization has changed the way of life, the spirit of people's connection to nature has been passed on through generations.
Next time on runAway, it's bike versus longboard on the slopes of Mount Kuno. An unexpected vote sends the team off course and into the Japanese Alps. And Megan and Dean take on their hardest challenge yet.